I start my look with pumpkin seeds, salt, Himalaya salt and garlic powder here. I love pumpkin seeds, and I'm gonna have a little bit breakfast because I'm not eating in the morning. Sometimes I want to eat that. It's very healthy. And my coffee. Good morning. Lovely pumpkins behind me and coffee. Then later I'm going to center shop called Hansa in Malmö. Follow me, guys. Thank you. Oh, hi, how are you?
Very good.
Yeah?
My darling. What's that smell?
It's pumpkins.
It's pumpkin
yeah,
seeds.
but
Do you have any rubbish?
no, I don't have.
Okay.
And I see you downstairs. Let's go out. Do you like my picture over there? 2020 was COVID time. I did paint. Let's go, guys. Follow me, guys. Follow. We're going over John waiting for me. John is my favorite guy. Follow me to do some shopping. Rainy, not raining here, not raining sometimes, but windy, plus 14 degrees, nobody outside of course.
So you're going to have to walk along
Thursday.
the coast. I'd say.
Yeah,
Full of bracing.
as you can see here, raining. Look at that, nice big trees here. You can see autumn, but still we have a lot of green everywhere, trees and grass as well. But anyway, it's nice, look at this. I'm going in. Now I'm going to supermarket, ICA. I don't know what I'm gonna buy. Milk, plant-based milk, sprouts, and probably another mushrooms.
You can take one.
No. Yeah. Okay. One. Just one basket. Not buying so much. I bought in a bottle shop. I bought Baileys. And sometimes I want something sweet. Cervera. Just a little bit of observation. Swedish Cervera. I would have like this. I have a little one at home. I'm not sure what I want really.
Conveniently not showing the price.
Different pans. More here. Oh, nice casserole. Look at that. I love this casserole. It's quite expensive.
13.39 still.
I like this casserole. It's very nice. I have plenty casseroles at home. Don't waste my money on it. Of this. I like Cervera. Nice. It's a very deep pan. 20% discount. Nice.
I like those. I like this hammered look.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. And I don't really use so much knives. I don't want to kill anybody with these knives. Maybe him
That's good.
to kill. Just, guys, I'm joking. Oh, look at that. I'm just showing you guys how look like Cervera. But I don't think I'm gonna buy anything from here. I have to be careful with the money. Look. Ah, this is what I've seen people fried here. Instead oven, they use that, John. I seen on YouTube.
Air fryer, yeah.
Yeah,
Air fryer.
yeah, exactly. My goodness, so expensive, more than casserole.
Well, you don't put oil in it, do you? So
No, I'm not.
No.
I don't use much
no,
oil.
It doesn't use oil. That's the whole point. So, air.
Just for tables, for glasses. Nice. Toasters. And you can see me. Hello, hello. Toast. Like that.
Warm.
Oh, that's nice, John. Look at this kettle. This one. And it costs 3,500 Swedish krona. Look at that. Wow, I love it.
300 quid for a kettle.
I have to open it. Here. No, I cannot open it. Open it for me. The lock.
Yes,
Open it.
I don't know how it works, do I?
Figure it out then. Oh, it's too hard.
I don't know.
Okay, I figure out myself. I have to giving up my phone. Guys, it was so easy, just like that. Open it. Close it. Open it. Nice. And small sinks here. Cotton pizza. And breaking the nuts. You can see here. John is over there. This is for what? Oh, to make ravioli. This is for what? Ravioli, 40% discount. I don't make any raviolis. Nice, I like this one. Sorry? Look at this plate, John. Look at that. Beautiful. My goodness. 400 Swedish krona cost because of this picture on it. Nice quality as well. Porcelain. No idea. Whiskey what?
Rocks.
Rocks.
Maybe.
Oh.
I don't know.
You mean when you cool down? Not cool down.
Maybe you put them in the freezer.
In the freezer. Look, interesting. The instant ice. I want that. Instant ice. I'm gonna buy that. How much? 249. So you don't waste these ice things. You put just. Okay, I'm gonna have this, John. And those glasses. Look. One glass, which is cost 265. I like whiskey, so I'm gonna have this. John, I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna buy those. So I'm gonna buy for this instead to make ice. I'm gonna have stones. The bag for it. But I cannot buy just one glass. It's this 265 and this box 6 glasses. I don't need that. Yeah, Cervera quite interesting. I like design, all this nice design. 3 for 2. Take 3, pay for 2. Oh, I love avocado. What?
From cdon.com, 99 kron. That's Cervera for you.
Cervera costs more money than online.
Shilling stars.
You mean online costs 100?
One cost, no, there's another one, 311.
Okay.
Whiskey set.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna have this. Are you gonna buy for me? No? John is not buying for me. I'm just buying for myself. Because we're out of the money. And this one I'm gonna buy now. Now. Guys. Drink whiskey with you. John changed his mind. He's gonna buy for me. He's standing there just to pay casa. Thank you, John.
You don't need a bag then?
I'm very happy with purchase. Going outside, waiting for John. He's paying for me. How lucky I am. Cervera. Come to Malmö, guys. Hansen's very nice little center shop. And this Cervera is here, and there is a third floor, exclusive clothes, women and men. So John is still buying. So I'm going up to show you a little bit what they have. I haven't been there for a long time. I want to thank you, John, for this. He bought for me. I love it. I love whiskey. I love John. And I'm gonna... Thank you, John.
Shall I put it in your bag for you?
You can see here Marty clothes. Gant. Marty. The dog. Not so many boutiques here, but if you go that way, it's more boutiques. Expensive dog. John, I like this carpet. Look at that. It's a nice carpet. We can go that way, the corridor over there, to Gustav Adolf Square.
Okay. I guess so now some sort of small shelf thing and stuff.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
And some
Davida over there. Oh, look at that couch. John, look at that couch. Wow, I like these colors. Huh? And that one. So it's not just clothes, it's furniture as well. We can go that way, this way. We're gonna go. This is for 2 seats with a couch. I'm going to this way, continue other boutiques, and one second. It's luxury nails. MALMÖ. Wonderful. Alpha. You see? Such a big boutiques here. I like that caps. Exhibition. Is an exhibition, yeah. You can see here exhibition. There's so many things you can see from here. Nice boutiques, good design, good shop. Look at that. Oh. These are woodenware, white things. I'm not so posh. I'm not posh. I'm wearing t-shirts. Won't. Look at that. It's nice things you can buy. And over there, H&M.
Where do we go? Down the escalator?
Yeah, we go continue to walk, and then through the H&M and going down to Gustav Adolf Square. See Hansa, the shop. Swedish. Jeans, different colors. Other side, yeah. It's quite big. Second floor. Henderson Maris. H&M Malmö. Look at this design for men. Plastic or wood? Of course it's plastic. Ah, you like this one? Yeah, it's quite nice. This one is a very funny one. Look. This caps for Trump, John. Trump caps. And way out. H&M. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I see you soon. Bye. Cheers, John. Cheers, guys, for a lovely day. Thursday. Lovely day today.